All right, so this is a quick screencast on my Circuit Playground Express Inchworm. And you can see over here on the side, I hooked it up to a servo, which is a small motor that moves at 180 degrees back and forth. And from there, I connected it up to the Circuit Playground Express. Just a quick little note, the brown went to ground, the red wire went to power on the Circuit Playground, and then the orange went to the A1 control on the robot. I'll show you how it works real quick. You turn it on, and then when you hit the A button, it starts to move back and forth. And then it'll walk along the ground as it does that. Now, as far as my code goes, I wanted to show you how I went about doing that. I had to go down here to the extensions, and I had to add the servo extension, which is not here because it's already added to it. And you can see it pops up right here, and that enables me to set the position of my servo. The default is 90 degrees, but I changed it to where it goes from 10 degrees up to 170. It could go from 0 to 180, but sometimes that causes problems. When I start the program, it sets my servo angle to 10, and it's going to send the signal through A1. So that's the pad I need to hook up to the Circuit Playground. So I have the whole thing start on my input when I press button A, and it's going to then do a loop. I went here and I got a repeat loop, and right now I have it repeating 25 times. It'll just run through this code over and over again. So it'll set servo angle to 10, pause for 400 milliseconds, then it'll set the angle to 170, pause for 400, set the servo angle back to 10. It does that over and over, and once it's done 25, the code's done, and the robot no longer moves.